Waltzing Waters presents Liquid Fireworks. As the Wallenda and Zambelli families are known for high-wire acts and fireworks displays, so the Prstovic family is known for musical fountain spectaculars. 3 generations of Prstovics and their Waltzing Waters have gained international recognition as the world's foremost leaders in water, light, and music productions. Around 1930, German inventor Otto Prstovic conceived the idea of combining the beauty of fountains with the music and gracefulness of ballet. Thus, Prstovic's dancing fountains were born. In January of 1953, the dancing fountains made their American debut at Radio City Music Hall in New York City. Playing to enthusiastic crowds, the show was an instant sensation and shattered all previous attendance records. Shortly thereafter, a factory was set up in Germany to manufacture the dancing fountains, as worldwide demand for the shows increased. With Otto's son Günther working at his side, more than 50 patents were granted, protecting the unique technology. In 1964, the family moved to Southwest Florida, where they have continued to perfect their musical fountain designs. Today, Michael Prstovic is at the helm, leading the company with further innovations into the 21st century. With proprietary technology, the Waltzing Waters remain the most spectacular and reliable musical fountains in the world. Waltzing Water shows are custom designed for each location and constructed in sections at our factory in Cape Coral, Florida. Manufacturing the shows in this fashion simplifies shipping and speeds setup at the customer's site. Clients' various needs are accommodated through the custom design process. Indoor shows can be located in a theatrical setting or in pools like those found in shopping malls. Outdoor shows can be accommodated in a variety of ways. Pools can be specifically designed for the shows, or in an existing pond, a show can be set on a simple platform, as illustrated here. In larger, deeper bodies of water, the shows can be floated, utilizing a totally self-contained flotation system. Typical lengths can range from 6 to 75 meters and larger for outdoor venues. Our expertise, derived from over 70 years of experience, is available to the customer during conception, design, and execution. In the area of equipment safety, Waltzing Waters assisted Underwriters Laboratories in the development of new fountain certification standards. Waltzing Waters were the first musical fountains in the world offering total UL certification. First, only UL and/or CE certified components are used in Waltzing Waters equipment. Second, the completed control systems are subject to UL inspection and certification. Third, for installations within the U.S., the entire finished fountain assembly is pre-certified by a UL inspector before shipping. CE certified components are utilized for European projects. Spectacular precision performances are a distinguishing characteristic of the Waltzing Waters. However, Waltzing Waters also has an unmatched reputation for very high reliability, coupled with minimal maintenance. Some fountain companies use devices like motor speed controllers, which can be finicky and problematic. Other mechanisms, such as electric valves, are trouble-prone and require frequent maintenance. Therefore, Waltzing Waters does not use any such devices. Instead, the Prostavics invented an entirely different approach. All of the amazing effects you see here are achieved by simply turning pumps on and off in various combinations. This, coupled with ingeniously simple but clever mechanics, provide an extraordinary canvas of amazing effects. This exclusive patented system not only provides dazzling, spectacular displays, but is also the most reliable, trouble-free musical fountain system in the world. Further contributing to reliability, Waltzing Waters utilizes only the highest quality, corrosion-resistant components, such as heavy-duty bronze submersible fixtures by PEM of Canada, the highest quality stainless steel pumps and motors from Grundfos of Denmark, and the control systems feature components by Siemens of Germany. Replacement components are readily available worldwide. Furthermore, all electrical fountain components are totally submersible UL certified designs, assuring long life and high reliability. Typically, with a Waltzing Waters show, the only maintenance required is to occasionally replace a light bulb and keep the fountain pool clean. Many installations have been in continuous service for months at a time with virtually no mechanical maintenance required. Waltzing Waters Incorporated provides a completely installed, finished package on the client site. This package includes the fountain mechanism, the lighting system, the complete control system, and a selection of spectacular choreographed programs. Examples of these programs can be seen in the Performances chapter on this DVD. Waltzing Waters, a unique combination of patented equipment coupled with spectacular choreography. There's nothing else like it in the world.